As I thought I'd do a video for you. In the last couple of weeks, I've had two clients that I've been chatting to, and they've suddenly discovered funnels, and they're amazed by them. And they said, right, I'm going out to buy Clickfunnels today. Right, so I stopped them. You do not need Clickfunnels to do a funnel. In fact, every single one of you who has a blog probably already has a funnel. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to break down funnels into the basics, and then I'm going to show you a couple of different types that you can use. For this, I'm going to use, as an example, I've got a blog called ConvertBox Secrets, which promotes ConvertBox. Okay, if you don't have ConvertBox and you want to build leads, then I'd strongly suggest it. I will put an affiliate link down below so you can check it out. It is superb. Can't recommend it high enough or highly enough. Let's get started. I always start my funnels right at the end. What am I promoting? So whether my own product or an affiliate product. We have this here. How do we get people here? Well, obviously, we have an article here. If we connect this up, we now have a funnel. This is a funnel. Okay, it's as simple as that. We've got a blog post, and in there we'll have a link, and we'll go straight to the ConvertBox page. And then we can, let's have a look at some sources of traffic. Let's just use Facebook, for example. This will be all traffic. Okay, I'm going to use Facebook here, but this is going to be all traffic. Right, that's it. So we now have our funnel. We write a post on Facebook, we send out a tweet, we send them to this brand new article we've written. That article has a link, ConvertBox to ConvertBox. People go there and they sign up. We have built a funnel. This is why I keep on telling people you don't need ClickFunnels. Sure, it makes things easy, but ClickFunnels can and does go down. If that happens, you can just be, especially if you're paying for traffic, it can be a bit of a nightmare. It's pretty slow compared to a decently set up WordPress blog. And it's going to cost you at a minimum $97 a month. Okay. The reason you see so many people promoting it is because if you make 100 sales of ClickFunnels, they give you a car. Okay, the car of your dreams. You don't need it. If you want to get it, go get it. But you can do things so much easier and so much cheaper yourself. Right, so this is our funnel. That is our first basic funnel. Okay, now what I would recommend you do is something slightly different. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a thank you page. Now, for those of you watching this, I've actually done a very similar video just now for SMO Pro. This week in SMO Pro on the Black Book, which is basically what I'm doing now. I just build my business live and record every couple of times a week. I'll record what I'm doing and we'll put it in the Black Book so people can see exactly how I do it. So I've done this for the Black Book today. So this is a little taster of what you'll get in SMO Pro. If and when you ever. Right, so we now have a thank you page. And what we'll do is people will sign up here, come here, we'll have an opt-in form, obviously provided by ConvertBox. They'll click in for our free checklist, a free report, a free course, a free guide, whatever you're giving away. And then what we'll do is we will find the email. So what will happen then is, we'll say land on here, the email will trigger and deliver their report. That's it. So not only now have you got traffic coming to this page, that traffic is turning into leads. You're building your audience rather than building ConvertBox's audience straight off. Okay. And what we're going to do here is we're going to duplicate this. Let's duplicate it again. And finally, we'll duplicate one more time. Right. We now have an even better funnel. Okay. The traffic comes along, they read the article, they sign up, They go to a thank you page. Okay, they then get an email that delivers the report. A day later, they'll get another email which will tell them and educate people all about why they need to start building lists, okay, and things to look for. Then we'll have another email that will maybe tell them they can either subscribe to different services or they can pay a one-time payment and get a much better service. And finally, we'll do a relatively hard sell for ConvertBox. Okay, this is what I recommend you do for a funnel. Okay, use your funnel to build your list. Don't use your funnel just to send people straight here. I've got a friend who was making around about $1 million a month for about 18 months from a ClickBank product. It's a product that you've all heard about. Now, this guy, we were sat around at a bar, myself, him, and Andre Chaperon, and we were talking about his business. Okay, and we were saying how great it was. And I said, wow, your list must be huge. And he said, no, I never collected one email address. Okay, so he had about 10 blogs up, people coming there, and he was directing them straight to the sales page. He was doing great, but if it all collapsed, he had not one single email address, which was crazy. That is something to think about. So this is what I would recommend you do. Have a blog post. Your thank you page is just a simple blog page, okay, that you just set to don't index. You're not delivering anything on here, so it doesn't matter if anyone finds it. Okay, you're just going to put thank you for signing up. Your report or whatever you want is going to be with you in 5 minutes. In the meantime, watch this video. In the meantime, down below I've given you 5 tips for building a better list. Doesn't matter, just give them information on this page, partly to keep them on the page, okay, partly to demonstrate to people what you can do. You can swap this page out, okay, to, let's say this could be a free community. Okay, this could be a course on Thinkific. Hopefully you've looked at the free course I put up where I showed you how to build a course really quickly in Thinkific. What you can then do is promote the free course. People come here. Okay, for example, ideally, an article about building a list. Okay, a free course about building a list. Okay, in that free course, you can actually promote this, because what's happened here is, how are we going to do this? If you do a free course, things change slightly. I'm trying to work out how best to do this. Okay, so your traffic comes along, comes to your page, or it could come directly to a free course, doesn't matter. When people go onto a free course, kill that, they automatically go onto an email list. Right, so you're giving away something for free, giving a free course, you've got them on your email list. Okay, so you can have an email sequence in the lessons. Let's do another one here. Let's call this. Okay, so you've got maybe 4 or 5 lessons in your free course, and in one of them you talk about ConvertBox. You stick in your affiliate link, and it goes there. Okay, that is it. And then you've got your email list. If you want, you can, in the emails, you can send them. Sorry, you can send them an email all about ConvertBox. Okay, you can send them emails about any email-related products. So you're not just promoting this. And that is really important. I should actually mention that earlier. If you send people straight from a link straight here, you can't promote anything else. If you get them onto a list, you can promote other stuff. Hope that all makes sense. If you've got any questions, please do ask, and I will get them answered for you. Thanks, guys. Bye.